People come in all different shapes, some taller, others shorter, maybe broader or narrower. And now the largest study to date reveals how COVID vaccines work with people of different sizes. Ian Lee has the latest.
Does size matter when it comes to being vaccinated against COVID? Researchers at Oxford University wanted to find out how well COVID-19 vaccines protect people of different weights from hospitalization and death.
But the first key outcome is that vaccines are highly effective across all body weights, and that is great news.
Scientists studied the medical records of more than 9 million people across the UK and looked at body mass index, or BMI, a measure of body fat based on height and weight. Dr. Carmen Piernas led the study and says not everyone is the same.
In the vaccinated people, there are still cases, and those cases is where we see increased risk of severe COVID in the high weights and low body weights.
But why those groups are more affected is still a mystery.
There is something going on with underweight and the overweight people in terms of their immunity, in terms of the response to their vaccines that we still don't understand very well.
Researchers also discovered underweight people were less likely to get the shot, but don't know why. Dr. Piernas now hopes their findings will help governments target the most vulnerable.
And for policymakers to look into perhaps thinking of different ways of prioritizing the vaccines.
And for everyday folks, she offers this recommendation.
The take-home messages are basically take the vaccine if you can, especially if you're underweight, and try to lose weight if you're overweight.
A doctor's orders on staying healthy during the pandemic. Ian Lee, CBS News, London.
Researchers say the next step is to look at the effectiveness of booster shots on people of different weights. Written in law, several states are making stronger protections for abortion rights, and it's getting the attention of the president. Plus, history made on the nation's highest court. The Supreme Court has a historic moment with Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson.